everyone, thanks for watching our video. This is Mutu World, where we try all type of the home appliances from different brands. And today we're going to talk about Dreamy. As you know, Dreamy Technology is an innovative company with the vision to enhance the living quality of global users. After years of hard work, Dreamy has come up with a new V line of vacuum cleaners. This line started with V9, 10, 11, 12, and now they're producing V12 Pro. So in this video, you will see the first unboxing of a V12 Pro and how it can be used in our daily life. I'm pretty sure that everyone would like to know more about each product's characteristics and dissimilarities, like me too actually. So at the end of the video, we made kind of research, so please watch till the end. Okay, let's take this baby right here. So let me open it. Oh my god, so beautiful. So let's get started. Main machine, charging station, carbon fiber rod, 2-in-1 brush, LED crevice tool, extension hose, soft dusting brush, mini motorized brush. This one is smart multi-brush bar, flexible adapter. Also, I can see these actually some papers as a manual. It looks like a book actually. Let's install all together and see how it works. The main machine looks really cool. I like it because it's compact design, and here's LCD screen, and you can switch between the cleaning modes right here and check up the battery lifespan and many others. The smart multi-brush bar has a V-shaped brush with different types of bristles. One of them is kind of soft, a second one is hard. As you can see, it covered up with a sort of brushes too. There are 4 wheels, 2 of them are back here and 2 of them in front of here. Moreover, they have upgraded the connection part so it can be maneuvered right and left, and it can increase the convenience of the cleaning process. It's very nice. I like it. So, this one is flexible adapter. It is just the best tool for cleaning under the sofa, bed, or even table. So you don't have to worry about your back pain or even make it worse. Okay. The carbon fiber rod. From the part I opened the box, it was the first thing that was catched my eyes. Very beautiful design, and I feel like it's really light and strong, so you can use it as your Star Wars sword for your Halloween costume. Yay! This extension hose, like as I always use it with the 2-in-1 brush nozzle, like right here, and soft dusting brush, which is this one. I use it like to clean my table, laptop, or any other places like windows where you can just swipe it up, and also can easily replace a rag. So, here. This one is lead crevice nozzle. Will be absolutely great for cleaning hard reached places in your house, like between your sofa, your car, whenever you want to do some fast vacuum activity. Mini motorized brush will be really helpful and beneficial for people who suffer from mite allergy, like my friends do. I definitely suggest to everyone to clean their beds, pillows, and mattress, especially when Dreamy V12 Pro can capture 99.66% of mites on fabrics within 0.3 microns. Impressive. Well, the last one will be charging base, where you can restore the battery charge. A swivel bracket with charging base is included, which mounts vertically on the wall and also allows you to store the nozzle in one place. Dreamy provides various types of nozzle, brushes, and accessories, as you can see. How about if we just tried it out in our living room and bedroom? We have different surfaces like wooden floor, carpet, and tile. We'll put a little amount of debris everywhere, and I will share my personal experience of using Dreamy V12 Pro. So according to the video, you can see that it showed up great results. All of these debris and dirt were cleaned by one pass. Please make sure to keep your HEPA filter clean, including all nozzles and main brushes. I personally wash all accessories right after complete vacuuming and keep it for 24 hours to get it full dry. After we're done with the cleaning part, I think it's really important to every handheld cordless vacuum cleaner user, especially Dreamy fans, to know more about the difference between V11, V12, and V12 Pro. To make this video short and informative, I decided to create a sheet with all the current data we have right now. It contains a lot of tech information and product specifications. I would recommend to everyone to take a screenshot, then you can just take your time to make your final purchase. For now, all I can see is the obvious differences that Dreamy V12 has. The different upgrade are the following: motor speed, it runs 167 revolutions per minute. More battery capacity, that's why the power consumption will be a little bit up. Then it brings us to the operation times, which lasts for 85 minutes. And the last one, motor type is upgraded to Dreamy Space 6. Okay guys, thanks for staying with us. Hope you get something really interesting and useful from this video. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to Muchum World and make it right now and click the subscribe button right here, just here.